Hello everybody, this is Sean, and today I'm going to be unboxing the ViewSonic XG270QC Elite monitor. It's a 27-inch, 165Hz AMD FreeSync Premium Pro gaming monitor, curved one that does 1440p, which is enough for all of the uses that we have for this monitor. And then later on in the video, we'll do a quick review for you. So taking a look at the outside of the box, it comes in a gigantic, robust box with a standard flap at the front. Turn to the side. I've removed the shipping stickers. It's part of the RGB Alliance, and it's got a 150 or 1500R viewing angle. And then you've got more specs over here. Contents for us. It's got the monitor, some input compatible DisplayPort, power cable, quick start guide, display size is 68.6 centimeters, 27 inch. And wait, the dimensions here, where's the inches on there? 24 by 23.69 by 14 inches. And it weighs about 11 kilos or 25 pounds. Okay, I'm going to start by cutting this flap that's up here, which you can't see. Okay, I've got my knife, and I'm just going to quickly cut all that tape that they have sealing it up here. I'm going to readjust the camera to give you a look at it. We've got one hell of a brick, the manuals, free DisplayPort cable, got your USB thing, weirdo USB, got your power cable, and your standy bits. Oh, it looks like a giant wishbone. Oh, and this is taped down too, so I'm going to need to cut that. There we go. You can't say that this thing was not well packed. Pinching warning. There's the back of the stand. And I'm going to give you a peek in here at the monitor. We'll put it together. And we'll show you what this looks like once it's built as we're doing our final review. Okay, it's a couple weeks after the last series of shots, and we have this monitor set up and have had a chance to use it for a little bit. As you can see, it actually has a fairly large footprint, so much so that it made having other monitors on here awkward, combined with wanting to have a higher resolution, means that we're down to just this one monitor, but it's not a problem because it's large and it's pretty. The RGB inside the monitor automatically connected with the RGB in our computer, which was really nice. It's got a good angle to the screen. It's very easily adjustable. And putting it together took us seconds. They're all very easy pieces that click in together. It's got one screw in the bottom. That's the same style you use for a camera tripod. And overall, it was a simple experience. And we discovered today it even has a hook for our headphones. So overall, I would say that I do recommend this monitor if you're looking to get a higher FPS monitor, or a higher hertz, I think is the
refresh rate.
A higher refresh rate monitor. Then this is a good one to go with, and we're kind of okay with the amount of money that we spent on it. So that is the unboxing and review of this monitor. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, like and subscribe, hang out for more videos. We've got 2 more rations that came in, so if you've been looking forward to a ration review, there's some of those coming down the road for you. Anyway, have a good night. Goodbye.